Hi guys, it's Shtuky. Today I will cook soup with meatballs. We will use minced meat, a mixture of pork and beef, potatoes that need to be cut into such cubes or small one cubes, and also we will need a couple of onions and a couple of carrots. Also, we will cut them quite small. So, let's cut everything and prepare vegetables to begin with. We cut the potatoes and carrots. So, we cut carrots a little bit smaller than potatoes. And we cut onion also. And onion should be approximately like such small squares. Now, we take the minced meat in our hand and roll the meatballs. You can make any size you like, it's up to you. Make sure to roll them up tightly so that they do not fall apart when we cook the soup. Now all the vegetables are ready, everything is ready. Now put the water, pour water. I have about 3.5 liters at this time. While the water is heating up, I start frying onions and carrots to make it tastier. Actually, you don't have to fry it. If you run out of time, you can add veggies without frying. Now I fry meatballs just a little bit for several minutes. It's also not obligatory to do this, and it's possible to put meatballs right into boiled water. But in general, when you fry something, it becomes tastier. Add meatballs to hot water, and after about 15 minutes, we add potatoes and other veggies. This is probably the simplest soup in the world. I like to fry also bay leaf like this. Light it up a little, stew it, and put it inside our soup. When you set it on fire, bay leaf immediately acquires some cool natural woody taste. Add black pepper, some salt, turn off the fire and close the lid. Leave soup like this while we cut the dill. After 50 to 20 minutes, you can already eat it. Let's fill it with dill. Soup has rich, beautiful color, and it's the most delicious ever. Quickly and tasty. Write in the comments, how do you like this recipe? Bon appétit! Bye!